Well, the tools you need: a Phillips screwdriver. Some Promix have hexagonal screws, and then you'll need an hexagonal or Allen key. But in case you don't have an Allen key, you can also use a classic screwdriver with the same size, and it will be a little bit more difficult, but you can also remove the screws with either one of them. But most Promix have just Philip head screws. Then I recommend some kind of cutter. It can be scissors also, but I find this really useful. And this one just to loosen up the plug connector, which has this. You can take it off without disconnecting any of the cables. It will be easier to disconnect them later on. Just be gentle. You can touch this part safely. Work with these ones. Just need to go all the way. Then you can swing this a little bit. And here we go. Okay. Remember, try not to touch any of the contacts side. And now here's the other tricky part when you need some kind of cutter just to make things a little easier. Okay, and we have some more things to cut. I'm not cutting the cables, just the save this. And middle string movement. Okay. Here. And the big one might have this one another big one to cut. And off we go. In fact, here we have two guards. The one I need